Climate change is the greatest challenge of our time, and to safeguard the future of life on our planet, aviation must play its part in drastically reducing carbon emissions. Yet, in the next 20 years, the number of commercial aircraft in the sky is predicted to double, with emissions soaring in their wake. And by 2050, 10 billion passengers will fly every year. But our researchers are determined to deliver the aircraft our planet needs: clean, sustainable, safe, and silent. This transport revolution is starting here in the East Midlands, where we're building the world's leading hub for low-carbon aerospace innovation. We work with the aviation industry, demonstrating our revolutionary technologies for electric propulsion in the leading facility of its kind in the world. We're a core partner in Europe's largest ever programme dedicated to reducing aircraft emissions. We're pioneering lightweight, robust and green materials and leading the world in recycling composites for new technologies. We're advancing green power sources, including hydrogen for hybrid aircraft. We're exploring the potential of sustainable biofuels and developing lighter, more powerful batteries. By working together, we will deliver the aircraft of the future and secure net zero aviation in the UK. Find out more